Where do you find the best Claude Code plugins? And how do you share yours with the world? Today we're exploring plugin marketplaces, the official store, team marketplaces, and how to manage everything you install. The official marketplace is your first stop. Browse categories, code intelligence, testing, deployment, LSB integrations. Each plugin shows its description, version, and install count. One command to install. The best part? Code intelligence plugins can add language server support, real-time type checking, autocomplete, and diagnostics powered by LSB. But what if your team has internal tools that shouldn't be public? That's where team marketplaces come in. Create a private marketplace for your org. Configure it in your team's settings. Team members see your plugins alongside the official ones. Perfect for company-specific workflows, internal API integrations, and proprietary tools. Managing plugins is straightforward. /plugin install to add one. /plugin list to see what's installed. Enable or disable plugins without uninstalling. And scope matters. User scope applies everywhere. Project scope is per repo. Local scope is just this machine. You control exactly what's active and where. Quick recap. The official marketplace for community plugins. Team marketplaces for private org tools. Simple install, enable, disable, and scope management. An entire ecosystem of Claude Code extensions ready for you. Subscribe and check out the next episode on hooks.